Welcome to my YouTube channel. I was Planted the Drawing. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to design this 3D model in Archicad. Okay, as you can see, this is a 3D model, and I just show you guys how it looks like in how the renderings look like. It was rendered with Twinmotion software. Okay, and if you're familiar with Twinmotion, you know that Twinmotion is one of the great softwares to use whenever you do your renderings with Archicad. Okay, now this building comprises of a 4-bedroom design. Okay, it has the visitors toilet, it has the visitors room, it has a master's bedroom, though it looks a little bit small, but I'm trying to manage space for this particular land. Okay, as you can see, it has modern features to it. As you can see, all of it has the modern look and the modern features to it. So without any further ado, let's just get right into the business. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the channel. In this channel I always make videos when I get an idea or see a house I like. Okay, or if I'm inspired by it, I just try and make a design of it using Archicad. Okay, and I also make Archicad tips and tutorials on how to use use certain tools to make your work look much more faster in Archicad. Okay, now let's dive right into the tutorial. I'm going to open a new project in Archicad, and please don't forget I'm using Archicad 27 to design this. Okay, I already have the project already opened. This is the new project that I have opened. Okay, now for me to go ahead with the rest of the designs, I know that when you open a new project in Archicad, you want to set up your interface and all that, but Archicad default unit is always in millimeters, so that's not a problem, because I'm also using millimeters to design my drawing. So I'm going to come to the document section here, and I'm going to click on this line tool. Then I'm going to click on this black and change it to be something around maybe red or maybe any other color, maybe something like this. Okay, now this part is very important. I'm going to make an external sketch of the building. Okay, because to make my work much more faster, I have to make an external sketch of this building, design the external sketch, make the designs, then I'm going to come back and fix the foundation, then fixing the roof, then the rest of the 3D model. Okay, so that's the plan here. Okay, then along in the video I'm going to try and post the plans for this particular building. Okay, so you guys can go ahead with the remaining fewer touches to the design, to the floor plans. Okay, so now I'm just going to come back here. Now remember that I selected this color, and I'm using this line tool right here. Okay, so I'm just going to make an external sketch of the design. Now what I wanted to do is just from here to here, just click here, drag it like this, and give a distance of 12,400. Click enter, take it down and give a distance of 7,150. Click enter and take it back like this and give a distance of 3,525. Click enter, take it down and give a distance of 4,967. Click enter, then take it like this and give a distance of 2,000. Click enter, take it down and give a distance of 1,108. Click enter, take it like this and give a distance of 1,425. Click enter, take it down and give a distance of 925. Click enter, take it like this and give a distance of 475. Click enter. Then so we're trying to get like the middle spot of this. Okay, the middle spot of this one. So just put the cursor here, allow it to load up. Once it loads up, just come here, click here, then stretch it like this and give a distance of 1750. Click enter, take it back like this and just click. That's following this one here. Okay, now take it back and give a distance of 4450. Click enter, take it up and give a distance of 4275. Click enter, take it like this and give a distance of 825. Click enter, then take it up and give a distance of 4625. Click enter, then take it backwards and give a distance of 825. Click enter, take it up again and give a distance of 35. Click enter, then take it like this again, take it backwards and give a distance of 1225. Click enter and take it up and double click. Okay, now we've made the external sketch of this. What we want to do is to just come and use the wall to design all of this that we have here. Okay, so I'm going to come to the design tab here. I'm going to click on the wall tool, click on the settings dialog here. I want you to make sure that you're selecting this icon here, you're selecting this one here, and you're selecting you make the wall thickness to be 225. click this side here. Okay, yours might be having a different settings here, so just click this and change this one to be airspace frame. You can decide to come and search it in this side. Okay, so just make sure you change all of this so you have the settings I'm using here. Okay, and once you're done with this, you want to click on OK and make sure that you hold this down and select this second icon. Okay, it's very, very important to do that. Select the second icon and now just click this side here, drag it like this. Now if the word is starting at the outside of the line, you want to make sure the word is starting inside, so you want to click this and change it to be inside face. Then you just click, it does start tracing out what we have. Then you want to come back here, then click. So once you've accomplished this, let's go to the 3D. Click here and let's see what it gives us. As you can see, this is a 3D model, and as you can see, we have a little bit of what we have at the other side. Okay, that's what we saw in the beginning of the video. Now go to the ground floor plan. Now we want to try and remove this line away from this floor plan. So what you want to do is just click on the marquee tool here. Okay, highlight it like this. Go to the document section, click on the line tool, press Ctrl A on your keyboard, press Ctrl D to move it out of this position, and just click here. Okay, press escape on your keyboard, press escape again, and as you can see, we have the line to be removed from the floor plan. Okay, now we want to try and place in the slab for this. Okay, there's no slab here. Okay, we want to try and place in the slab. I want to go to the ground floor plan and just make sure that these two things are in view. Okay, you can see these two things, just make sure they're in view. Go to the design tab, you want to click on the slab to click on the settings dialog and change the slab thickness here to be 150. Okay, so make sure you're selecting this icon right here. Now once you've done that, you want to just click this edge surface, click on it, click this, and let's change this edge surface to be titanium white. Click enter, then just click on OK. Hold down spacebar on your keyboard and select inside this line that you created. Press escape, go to your 3D view. You should be seeing it. If you move here, you should be seeing the slab. Okay, go to the ground floor plan now, click this, press Ctrl D, click this and just move it somewhere to that edge. Press escape, go to your 3D view. You should have that being transferred on the floor on the 3D model. Okay, now once you finish doing that, what I want you to do next is I want to come and fix in the doors and the windows for this particular design. Okay, for also fixing that window here, all we just have to do is to just go to the ground floor plan and we're going to fix it here. Okay, now I'm going to come to the other design tab. I'm going to come to the window 2, click on the settings dialog. Now I'm going to go to the special windows and just scroll down. Yeah, I can't see the window I'm looking for here. Let me go to the basic window. Yeah, so I'm supposed to click on this Windows 27. Okay, click this and let's look for search options. Click this and click the HV grid. Change this one to be 1 and this one to be 2. Then change this one here to be 100. Alright, once you finish doing this, just click on OK on your keyboard. Come to the side here and just click. Alright, so once you do that, go to your 3D model. You should have the design being shown like this. You want to click this and change the thickness here, the width here to be 2.5. Click enter. So it's going to look something like this. You can also decide to change it to be something around 3.5. Click enter and it's going to be like something like this. You want to click on this node here and select on this stretch vertically when this box pops up. So you just want to move it down just a little bit. Click this and just take it up like so. Okay, like something like this. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to try and model this. As you can see, this has a wood finish to it, so you want to try and model this. So you want to click on the window, click on the settings dialog, and let's look for the model for this. So you want to double click this side, click this, and let's look for aluminium. Click enter. Okay, and click on OK. So that's going to model that the particular design for us, as you can see. Alright, now for this other side here, you also need the same window, but this is not going to be there. So I'm going to go to the ground floor plan. I'm going to hold on Alt, select this, change this to be around 1000. Okay, and just click like so. press escape, go to your 3D. You should have it like this. Click on the settings dialog, and let's try and remove the sash design that we did earlier. Let's click on OK. That should be gone away from there. Okay, if you want to remove this line, you can just click this, hold on shift, click this, click on the settings dialog, and let's try and remove the opening lines. When you come to the opening lines, just double click this, and click on OK. Alright, so that's going to be gone away from the design. Now we've accomplished this. What we want to do next is go to the ground floor plan. So we had like 2 designs of window here. Using this, I'm going to hold on Alt, I'm going to select on this window, and I'm going to align this and change this one to be 750. Once I finish doing that, I'm just going to put a cursor here. I'm just going to click and come here and click. Alright, and hold on Alt, select this window again, come to the side here. You want to change this one here to be 25. Okay, once that's changed to be 25, just come here, click like so. And for this other side, you want to do the same thing, click. Alright, now this side here, okay, don't forget I'm going to show you guys how to go about I'm going to show you guys the full floor plans. Okay, so don't forget about that. For this side here is going to be the toilet, so we need like a toilet window for this side. So what we just have to do is just hold on Alt, select this, and just click. Okay, now remember that this doesn't have a sash to it. Let me show you guys what I mean. This is the same thing. Okay, they don't have that sash that's holding them together. Okay, so I'm just going to click on this. Now once you click this, click on the settings dialog. Okay, now click this, click on the we are looking for the opening type and angle, click on it, click this, change this one to be top bung, and change this to be 15. Should be open at the angle 15, and click on OK, and that should look something like this. Click this, and let's try to stretch it up a little bit like so. Then this one here, you want to change this one to be something around 600. It all depends on the design that you have at hand. Now because of this looks like this, you have to go to the what I call it, the floor plans, to go and do some changes to it. So you want to go to the ground floor plan here. I'm just going to hold on Alt, select this, and just try to open it around this angle here. Click this and delete it. Now hold on Alt, select this, and let's try to open the window like this. Click. Okay, you can decide to click this and move it to the side here. Click this and just delete it. Now go to your 3D model. You should have the window be open the other way. Okay, like this. So it's very important you guys do that. So we can go around with the rest of the drawing. Now for this other side here, we have the door here. So for us to fixing the door, you want to go to the ground floor plan. You want to come to look for the door tool here. Click on the settings dialog, and you're going to be selecting on this door 27. You want to click this, and let's look for what we call the door settings. I like this, just click this, and let's look for, we're going to be looking for a very style 17 design. Okay, leave the handle as it is. Okay, click this. You can decide if your handle is not showing, just click on it and select handle 7. Okay, click this, and let's look for model. Okay, make sure that your model here is in wood. Look for a wood model design, something simple, maybe something like the mahogany horizontal. You can click on it, click this. Let's look on the model here, click this, and let's look for wood. Then click this, then click on OK. Before you click on OK, you can come to the opening lines and just leave it as it is, then click on OK. Alright, once you finish doing that, come here and change this one to be 1 2. Alright, once this has changed to be 1 2, you just want to come to the side here, click, let it open like this, then click. Alright, press escape on your keyboard, go to your 3D design, and you have the design being shown like this. Okay, now the next thing you want to do concerning this is you want to try and increase the height of this. Okay, click this, click on this node here, make sure you are selecting this stretch vertically, and just as you are increasing the height, just come to this side here and click. Once you click, it's going to level with the window over there. Okay, so we've accomplished this. What we want to accomplish now is the window by this side here. So you want to come to the ground floor plan and just hold on Alt on this window, and let's try and place a window here. Just click. Okay, now click this. Let's change this one to be 2000. Click enter, press Ctrl D click this and let's move it to the side here. Okay, press escape and it should be good like this. Okay, now since this is a toilet window, hold on Alt, select this and let's come to the side here. Click, then come here, click. Okay, now for this edge here, you want to do the same thing. Click. Okay, once you finish doing that, we need a door here, so I'm going to hold on Alt and select on this door. Come to the side here, and the door, we're going to make the door to be around 900. Okay, so I'm just going to click and let it open like this. So we have a 900 door here, so that's how to fixing the door. Now let's go to the 3D model. As you can see, this is the design we are making, just the external sketches. Now concerning this side here, click this, let's make this one to be 1.5. Click this again, click this and try and reduce it like to somewhere around here. Now this is better. This is the door that we just fixed. Okay, now we have the two windows facing like this, so we want to try and change this. Okay, so go to the ground floor plan. These two windows, we want to try and change them. Okay, I'm just going to click this, I'm just going to press delete, click this, press delete, and for this other side too, I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to hold on Alt, select this. What I was supposed to have done was click like this. Okay, and for this also click here like this. Yeah, so if you go to your 3D model, you should have it being shown like this. Okay, so please take that, take note of that. Now for this window here, I want to try and place them for the rooms here. So I'm going to go to the ground floor plan. I'm going to hold on Alt and select on this window here. So I'm just going to place a window here. Okay, I'm going to click on this window and change this one to be 2000. Click enter. Okay, hold on Alt, select on this window again, come here and place another window here like so. Okay, now there's still needs to be on that window here. I'm going to hold on Alt, select this and just try and place a window here too. Okay, so it's going to be something like this. Press escape on your keyboard and let's go to the 3D model. Okay, and let's check everything that we've been doing. Let's see if it aligns with what we want to do. Okay, now this is perfect. The next thing we want to do is to design the roof for this particular design. Okay, but before we design the roof, I'm going to go to the ground floor plan and I'm going to come to the document section. I'm going to click on the line tool and I'm just going to try to align this. Okay, just click this, hold on shift, then come back and click here, then double click here. Okay, highlight this and let's change it to be the dashed. Okay, the dashed. Now the next thing I want you to do is to just come to the design tab, click on the column. Okay, once you click on this column, just come here and click. Okay, press the column again, press Ctrl D and try to move it to this edge here. Okay, once you finish doing this, go to your 3D model. You should have the column being shown like this. Okay, so you can click on the column and you can try, just scroll on your mouse wheel and just try to edit this the way you want to edit it. You can decide to untick this. Okay, it's very important you do that. And you can click on this node here, come and select this stretch. You can stretch it like this, as you can see. Okay, if you click this other side too, you can stretch it to like this. Maybe you can stretch this by maybe 500. Click enter. As you can see, it gets bigger. You can stretch it backwards by 400. Click enter. It all depends on the design you are working with and design you want at hand. Okay, you can decide to click on the column, click on the settings dialog and try to model this. Click on the segment, click this, and let's look for titanium white. Click enter, click this and click on OK. So that's going to be changing to white. Okay, let's fix in the roof. I'm going to go to the ground floor plan. Now for also fixing the roof, all we just have to do is you just come to the roof tool here. Okay, click on the settings dialog, click on this icon right here, change this thickness here to be 150, but we are still going to come back and edit this. Okay, so just bear that in mind. Now come to this this arrow icon, click on it and click percentage. I like this and change it to be 0. Okay, once you finish doing that, click the top roof tiles, click this and let's look for a darker color, maybe something like this, a gray. Okay, now for the edge here, you want to click this and let's look for something like a gray again, maybe like a dark gray. And for this, click this and let's change it to be the wood mahogany vertical. Click this and click on OK. Now once you've accomplished this, what you also want to do next is just come to this icon here and select this. It's very, very important you guys do that. I was supposed to do that initially, but I forgot. So you want to click on this icon and come back here. Let's go to this, or let's go to the settings dialog and just check out the settings again. This is 150. This has been selected and change this to be 0. This is very, very important you guys do that. Then click on OK. Alright, so once you do that, click this, then just click this. Now the next thing you want to do is you just click and start sketching out. Once you stretch like this, just hold on shift on your keyboard and just click here, then take it inside like this, hold on shift, click here and just stretch it like this, click, come back to the side here, click here, click here, click here and come back here to click and click on continue. Alright, once you finish doing this, let's go to the 3D model and you should have the roof being shown like something like this. Okay, now click this and let's change this thickness here to be 300. Okay, like I said, I was going to edit it earlier on. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to just click this, highlight this, there's this edge here, just click on this edge here. Now come and select this offset all edges. Okay, once you do that, just give it a distance of 300, click enter. Okay, now that's going to cancel all the rest of the design. As you can see, it's going to cancel the rest of the design. What I want you to do next is just click this, press Ctrl+Shift+D on your keyboard, click this and move it up again. Now click on this edge here and stretch it by 50, click enter. Now click this again, click on the stretch height and reduce it by 50, click enter, press escape on your keyboard and you should have that design being shown like that. Okay, as you can see, you should have the design being shown like that. Now the next thing I want to do is to just try and because this side needs to be raised up, so I'm going to click this. As you can see, when I click this, it's selecting all of the walls in the 3D model. So what you want to do is come and select this suspend groups, press escape on your keyboard again, click this and it's only going to be selecting this wall. So we need this wall and this wall to be cantilevered up. So I'm going to click this, hold on shift and click this. Now I'm just going to go to the settings dialog, and for this top story I can give maybe the distance of maybe 1.5, click enter on my keyboard. So that should go up like so. Okay, so you can decide to also reduce it, click on the settings dialog and give a distance of maybe something around 1.2. Alright, so it's something like this. So all I wanted to do next is just hold on alt, select on this wall, click this. Okay, make sure that it aligns properly with what you have here. Let me see. Okay, as you can see, starting from the other side, so you want to click this and stretch it like this. So there's a way it's supposed to link on the ground floor plan. I'm just going to do this on 3D model for now. So I'm just going to click on this node here, click on the stretch height and move it downwards. So as you can see, it forms perfectly. Now I'm going to hold on alt, select on this, click the other side so it links properly, and I'm just going to stretch like this and just double click and it should give me something like this. Okay, now what you want to do next is click on this node and you want to try and bring this down by clicking on the stretch height to somewhere around here. Okay, so it looks something like this. You can decide to click on it and just take it inside a little bit, just something like this. Okay, now I'm going to go to the ground floor plan. You won't be seeing anything on the ground floor plan. If you go to the first story, you'll be seeing much of the design on this side here. Okay, so what you want to do is I wanted to come and do the calculations for this so that we can get the proper fit for it. Okay, so I'm just going to hold on alt, select this, put the cursor here, allow it to load up, Now I'm going to give it a distance of 3350. Click enter, and I'm just going to stretch this like this. Double click, hold down control, cut out this side, click this and click on this and stretch it downwards like that. So remember that I'm actually designing for the first sorry, on the roof rather. So if you go to a 3D model, you should have that being corrected by itself. Okay, so just please bear that in mind. Also for this other side, make sure that you check your designs and make sure that they are actually conforming with what you're actually doing, so they don't look they don't look weird. Okay, please look a little bit perfect, but this doesn't look 100% perfect, so I'm just going to try and work on this. Since this is a roof, you can just decide to just click this and just move this down a little bit like so. So that should be covered perfectly. Okay, now for the other side, where the other side is going to be stopping is I want to give it the dimension from here to here on the first story. So just hold on Alt, select this, put the cursor here, I like to load up, and let's give a distance of 8450. Click enter, and okay, allow the word to start at the other side. Just click this and then double click this side, hold on control, cut out. Then let's go to your 3D model, and that should be perfect like so. Okay, so we can decide now that we can cut out this roof away from the center. Okay, go to the first story. Now just click on this roof. Now click this icon, click on this subtract from polygon, and just cut out this side like this. Click this icon and just cut out this side like this. Okay, now click this also, click on this icon. Since it's two roof that we did, remember it's two roof that we placed on each we placed another roof on the first roof that we did, so we have to cut it out twice. Okay, so click this also and cut out like this. Press escape on your keyboard and go to your 3D model, and that should be seen like so. Okay, if you guys don't want this glitch that you're seeing, if you don't want the glitch, you can just go to the first story, click this, click on the node again, make sure you're selecting the subtract from polygon and cut it out from this side here. So just click it. Okay, now select this also, select this node and click this and select this side. Press escape on your keyboard and go to your 3D model, and that should be seen like that. As you can see, it's cut it out perfectly. Okay, now you can decide to bring this down so it levels with this shape here. Okay, so this is just little adjustment you can do to the design so it looks perfect. Okay, so now we are done with this. So the next thing you want to do is you want to try and place the roof for the side here. So what you want to do is you just go to the first story now. All right, so go to your 3D model, hold on Alt, select on this down roof, click on the down roof, go to the first story. Now just click this. All right, click this, select this, click this again, and just stretch it like this, then click here and click continue. Okay, go to your 3D model, you should have it like that. Okay, so what you want to do next now is you want to try and move this down. So click this, press Ctrl D, click on this node and move it down like so. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to click on this edge here. Okay, make sure you are selecting this offset all edges and give a distance of 300. Click enter on your keyboard. Now press Ctrl Shift D on your keyboard, click on this node, move it up. Okay, click on this edge again and give a distance of 50. Click enter, click on the node, come and select this stretch height and reduce it by something around 50. Click enter, press escape on your keyboard, and it should be good like this. You should arrive with something like this. Okay, so now you want to try and model this. So you want to click this, hold on shift and click this, click on the settings dialog, and the downside, or you cannot select this and just change this to be not the upper side, rather this side, and change this one to be titanium white. Click enter, click this also and change this one to be titanium white. Click enter, then click on OK. Press escape on your keyboard and you should have something that's beautiful as this. Okay, now concerning the designs you guys are seeing here, I'm going to show you guys what I mean by that. concerning these designs here, the colors, the models for this, you can decide to, I use wall for this, I use wall for this, okay? And I'm just going to go to the design here. So I think this side came outside a little bit, so I'm just going to highlight this and click on the offset edge and just select this. Okay, came outside like this. So I'm going to just check what I'm doing here. It's very, very important. Hold on Alt, select on this wall, click this and just select like this. Okay, once you do that, okay, you're gonna be having something like this. So just click this and reduce this by something around let me say 50. Click enter. Now click this, click on the settings dialog and just highlight what you have here. Click this and let's look for something that looks like a brown color, maybe like a stone granite red, but I'm not going to be using stone granite red. Maybe I'll go with maybe the wood mahogany vertical. Click this and click on OK. Okay, so you should be having something like this. Okay, if this is too thick, click this and change this one to be 25. Click enter. So it looks something as that. So if you are seeing here, that's just the side. What you want to do is just want to close it up by, you can hold on Alt, select on the slab and just click. Since you have to stop here, so you have to click here, press click on the slab, click on this edge and select. Let's try and move it closer to this side. Okay, it's not moving closer, but I have to make it to move closer. Just move it closer like that. Okay, and let me see what it's giving me. So it's giving me something like this. So what you want to do next now is click this, press Ctrl D on your keyboard and take it up, hold on Shift on your keyboard and select that right there. Okay, now click this, click on the settings dialog and click on the downside, click this and let's look for titanium white. Click enter again, and that should give us something like that. So we've closed up that particular surface there. Okay, so as you can see, it looks perfect. Okay, now the next thing we want to do right now is we want to try and model this design so it comes to life. Okay, so what we did, we used what we call the dark gray for this side here, and we also use the dark gray for this side here. So what we want to do is you just come to document tool, you want to come to creative imaging and click on the surface painter. Allow the surface painter to load. I have other colors I have rendered for this particular project, so I'm just going to try and search. I can search here, I can look for the dark. Okay, this is the dark gray, so I'm just going to click this and just paste it here. Click this also and paste it here, but that pasted on the window, so I'm going to Ctrl Z, click this again and try moving closer and then paste like that. Okay, I'm going to move down, I want to move backwards rather, and for this side here, click this and paste it here. So that looks something like that. If this side here doesn't want to color, doesn't have that color, you want to click on this wall, click on the settings dialog and you want to click on this end surfaces and click on OK. So this side is going to be colored like that. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is you want to color these other surfaces that we have here. So you want to click this, paste it here, click this, paste it here, click this, paste it here, click this, paste it here. Okay, now click this, hold on Shift, click this, click on the settings dialog and come and select this and click on OK. Press escape on your keyboard. That should be good like that. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is that we have a house number that we created for the side here, but before I do that, I want to come to this other side. There was a design I made here, but I can't really make it because I have to use CI tools to render that. Okay, so I'm just going to skip that for now because some of you might not have CI tools installed in Archicad. Okay, so I'm just going to cancel this. Now let's go with the house number that I was supposed to design here. I'm going to go to the first story, go to the ground floor plan. Okay, we have the house number. The house number has to be here, so I'm going to go to the 3D model. I'm just going to try and move in closer to the side here. Now I'm going to come to the object tool, double click on the object tool and look for where we have text. Let's look for text, go to the 3D text. Okay, Now go to the model, click this, look for titanium white, click enter, click on the 3D text. I like the 3D text and make it to be 43, just as we had. Then let's click on OK, and then just select this. Okay, once you select this, go to the ground floor plan. This is the text. Click this, click on this node and try and reduce it to be something around here. Now go to the approach view. So click on the approach view, that's the front side of the elevation, and click this, click on this node here. Come and select this move node and reduce it to be something like this. Now press Ctrl D, click this and try and move it to be something around this. Okay, now go to your 3D model. You should have the design being shown like that. Okay, you can also move it up. Go to the approach view, click this, press Ctrl D and try to move it up like that, and go to your 3D model, and that should be perfectly, as you can see, it's perfectly being shown like that. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is to just sort out the green areas. But I did a video on how to design your green areas so your green areas can look perfect in Archicad. I suggest you check the description of this video to have a clear understanding on how to go about that. Okay, so I'm just going to do is rough sketch on all the green areas. I'm going to go to the ground floor plan, and I'm going to just hold down Alt on this slab. Okay, now I'm going to align this and change this to be -150. Okay, just make sure the minus is there. It's very important that the minus is there, and just highlight a whole lot of this. Just highlight it. Okay, once you do that, go to press escape, click on this, click on the settings dialog, click this and look for green, and click on the green paint forest green. Click on OK, press escape, go to your 3D model, and you should have this design come to life like this. Okay, so if you look at all the sides, it looks perfect for the design. If you look at all the sides, it looks perfect for the design. Okay, it's very, very important you guys go ahead with that. If you guys also want to fix the slab for the entrance, all you just have to do is to just hold on Alt, select on this, and just select something like this. Just stretch it like this. Click this, reduce this by, click this and reduce by maybe by half. Okay, that's 705. Click this, click on the settings dialog, click the top surface, click this, and let's go for stone, something like this, and click on OK. So that should have the design being shown like that. Okay, now if you want to make a duplicate of that and make sure that they have the walkway design, go to the ground floor plan. This is what we just created. Click on it. Now press Ctrl U on your keyboard, click on spread, and we want to try and give a spacing. Let's use 1000 for now. Click on OK, click this and straight like this. Okay, it looks perfect for the design. I'm just going to click once. Okay, then I'm going to stretch this, click on the offset edge and just stretch it like so. Now I'm going to go to a 3D model, and I want this to be shorter than this first one. So I'm going to click this, click on the node here and reduce it by this. Okay, all right, so maybe I'm just going to add a little bit of, maybe this is too much, so I'm just going to try and redo that. Okay, so I'm not going to click this, press Ctrl D and move it to this. Let me do it on the ground floor plan. Click this, press Ctrl D and move it to this like this. Okay, now click this, press Ctrl U on the keyboard, reduce this by maybe 900. Okay, click enter, click this, and let's try and make a duplicate of this like this. Go to your 3D model and you should have that being shown. So this is some of the ways for you to design your to do your design in Archicad. If you're having this side here, as you can see, this slab here, as you can see, the slab here is supposed to be colored perfectly so it can blend with this one. So the problem that we're having here is that we can't do that unless we use something like CI tools to design this. I don't want to use CI tools to design this, but if you're having something like this, you can try and mess around with it a little bit so that it can give you what you want. Okay, now remember that what we have here is that this side here, they are all dark colors here and they are all dark colors here. So what you want to do in this situation is you want to go to the ground floor plan, click this. Okay, so since this is being selected, we want to select this the slab that has a foundation for this and not this. So you want to select, if you're selecting this and this one is being selecting, just right click, go to move, or sorry, go to display order and send backward. Click on the send backward. Now press escape, click this, and you'll be able to select on the slab. Now what I want you to do next is just, we have this side here. Okay, so what you want to do next is just click on this node here, click on this subtract from polygon, and just click like this. Make sure you are selecting this polygonal geometry. Click this and just select like this. It's very important you guys do it, and just select like that. So you've cut out that particular side away. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is just hold down Alt and select on the slab again. Click this and do the same thing. So once you finish doing that, go to your 3D model, check what you did. You have something like this. Now the next thing I want you to do is just click this, click on the settings dialog, click this, and let's look for the gray, and select on the dark gray and click on OK. So that should color perfectly for the design. Okay, as you can see. Now you want to do it for the same, you want to do the same for this other side too. So you want to go to the ground floor plan, select this, select it again, and select the subtract from polygon, and just cut out this side. Okay, now you want to hold on Alt, select this, okay, go to the 3D model, select this, click on the settings dialog, and let's try to look for the gray. Select this and click on OK, and that should be perfectly being shown like that. Okay, so you want to do the same thing for the sides here. Okay, so you want to go to the ground floor plan, select this node, click, now just hold down Alt, select this, click this, and retrace it again. Now press escape, go to your 3D model. Now just select the slab there. Now click on the settings dialog, click this, and let's look for the gray. Now click on OK, and that should be perfectly being shown like that. Okay, now let's add in because we need a car here, so we have to add in the design for that. So I'm going to go to the ground floor plan, and for this side here, I'm going to click on the mesh. So click on this mesh here, click on the settings dialog, change this one to be 150, click this and change this one to be stone, something like this, and let's just click on OK for now. I'm just going to select this and just try and make a rectangle, then click this, press escape, go to the 3D model, and we can't see much of it, so I'm just going to press go down. I'm going to select this, I'm going to click on the settings dialog, I like this, and change this one to be 0, click enter. So that's going to move up, as you can see. Okay, so we can try to just edit it and just try and reduce this by maybe 70, I'm checking about 75, click enter. And for this side here, just click this, come and select this elevate mesh, click on it and move it down. Come to this other side too, click this and move it down too. Alright, so you're gonna be having it being something like this. Okay, now for this side here, for the pillar, click on it and change this one here to be minus 150, click enter. Okay, so that looks perfect like that. So we can add the cars perfectly for this particular design. You can go to the ground floor plan and just hold on Alt, select this, put the cursor you like to load up, and give a little bit of spacing. Just put the cursor you like to load up and just give a little bit of spacing for the design. Okay, click this, press Ctrl Shift D, and this just put another one there, and just move this closer to that side. Then go to your 3D model, and you should have that design perfectly being shown. But you want to try and reduce this. I want to just try and reduce this. I don't want to use the solid element operation to design this, so that's why I'm just trying to just do the design like this. Okay, so I'm going to hold on Alt, select this, and press Ctrl Alt and select this, so they just look something a little bit similar. Okay, so that's one of the ways I designed this. You want to decide to just click this, come to this node here, and just select that right there. Okay, now the next thing we want to do right now is we did a design for this side here, even though we use that color, but we need that design for this side too. So what I wanted to do is you can decide to just click on the roof here, click on this edge, just increase this by maybe another 200. Click this and increase it by 200. Okay, now for the one at the top, click this and click this and increase it by another 50. All right, now hold on Alt, select on this, come to this side here, just click, drag like this, and double click this, select this, and it's gonna come outside. Okay, now let me see what I'm working with. As you can see, I'm gonna have that design being shown like that, so that's what I'm talking about. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is just come and fix in the lights. So I'm just going to move in closer like this. Now I'm going to come to the lamp tool, double click on the lamp tool, click on the interior lamps and look for recessed bulbs. Click this and just click on OK, then just select one here and one here. Okay, you can decide to just select it around the whole house. We need one for the entrance here, and we need one here, we need one here, and we need one over there. Okay, so now let's just try and place in the car. So you want to go to the ground floor plan, and we're gonna look for object 2. Let's look for car. So I'm going to select on the luxury car, click on the preview positioning, and try and position this very well, and click on OK and select this. Okay, click this, press Ctrl D and move it outside a little bit. Go to your 3D model, click this, change this one to be -150, click enter, and that should be perfectly being seen like this. Okay, so this is one of the ways I designed this particular 3D model. Okay, but one other thing is that if you guys, for the beginners now, if you guys want to know how to because I'm going to be posting the floor plans, and if you guys want to know how to dimension your work, you want to know how to add a text to your work, I would suggest you guys check the description of all those videos, so you guys can have a clear understanding on how to go about that. I'll be dropping them in the link below, so you guys can go ahead with that. Okay, I don't want the video to be longer than usual, so that's why I'm actually doing the workings like this. So I feel like this is much more easier for you guys to work with. Okay, I'm going to show you guys something. I didn't do this particular design before I added the lights to it. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly do this right now. Okay, let's go to the previous one we are working at hand, and I'm just going to try and just delete the lights. Okay, hold on Shift, select this, and just delete it. Okay, now I'm going to just randomly, I'm going to hold on Alt and select on this slab here, come to the side and change the thickness here to be something around maybe 70. Okay, it doesn't really matter, let's just make it to be 70. Then just click this edge here, just click that edge, come to the other side and then click on it. Once you click on it, press escape on your keyboard, press escape again, and you should have a design being shown like that. Okay, so for this other side now, what you just have to do is just click this. Okay, click on the settings dialog, click this. You can leave it as glossy white or change it to be titanium white. Click on OK. It all depends on the choice that you want to use. Okay, now I'm just going to click on this edge here, click on the offset edge, and just try and reduce it to something around this shape. Okay, press escape on my keyboard, and you should have that design being shown like this. Okay, so that's the way I came about it. So there's not really a big deal to it. So what you just have to do is just fixing the light again. you can decide to just come to one of the lights here, hold on Alt, select on the light, then move closer to the side here, just select the light here, select one here, select one here, and select one there. Okay, so you're gonna be having a design being shown like this. Okay, you can decide to model this. Decide to model this by coming to the document section, come to the creative imaging, click on photo rendering settings. Okay, once this pops up, loads up, you can just select this, click this icon, make sure this icon has been selected, click this and click on size of 3D window, click this, click on the rendering settings, just click this. Okay, once you finish doing this, just click on this. Okay, once you click this, just cancel this and wait for it to render for you. Depending on your system speed, you should be able to render on time. Okay, and you're gonna be having something as beautiful as this for the project. Okay, thanks for watching. If this video has been of help to you, kindly like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next tutorial video. Thank you.